Right here I have these amazing Edison bulbs and wanted to show you a little bit about these. So I recently had bulbs that were about 2 inches long and I wanted something that was going to look a lot more stunning whenever you walk into the dining room, and man oh man, I absolutely love these. These are 7.3 inches, which makes them super tall here. Let's see if we can get a good look. They are really tall, easy to screw in. They're LEDs, so they really don't get that hot. They conserve energy, and this is going to be the E12. It's going to fit in my chandelier perfectly. And also this model is going to be the 40 watt 3000K soft light. It looks absolutely amazing. It comes in a 6-pack and worked out great because I actually have 6 lights on here anyway, so that was perfect. But overall, this was a little gift that I wanted to get for my wife. She absolutely loves these, but I love the style. Usually these chandeliers have like a tubular on the outside of them. These don't have it. It's just totally exposed bulb. But compared to the 2-inch, these look absolutely amazing. Now, when you walk into the dining room, it really just stands out now. It just gives you that nice farmhouse look and also a nice modern touch as well. Definitely highly recommend these if you're looking for a nice set of long tubular Edison bulbs. These are the 7.3 inches. They are a very good length, a lot longer than I anticipated, but turned out amazing. So I was actually looking for a long set and I don't think I could find anything above 5. And I was trying to find something that was longer, like a 5-inch, and I finally found these that were the 7.3. I highly recommend these. Add these to your cart. You're gonna love them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.